Today we will travel from Kotzebue, Alaska, across 20 miles of sea ice to the remote summer subsistence village of Sissaulik. Sissaulik was established hundreds of years ago by the Inupiaq people of Noatak. Noatak is located 50 miles upriver from this location, but many residents move here to the banks of the Arctic Ocean in the summer to hunt for seals and fish for salmon. That is a substantial meat-hanging pole. There are no winter residents in Sissaulik, except for a musher or two who use this area as a sled dog training ground. These simple tent structures are affordable and easy to use. Just throw a tarp or a fitted tent over the top and you have a hard-sided wall tent. There are many nice cabins or remote homes out here in the middle of the Arctic. Consider for a moment getting all the materials to build a small house into the middle of nowhere with no roads. All building supplies are either brought in by snow machine in the winter or barged in during the summer. As we travel through the sprawled out seasonal village, you will see many traditional drying houses. These open-sided houses are used to dry meat from salmon and seals. This tower is used to look for seals. Seals are important to the Inupiaq people. Seal meat, also known as black meat, is a favorite of many local residents. Seal blubber is rendered down into oil and used to dip food in. The intestines are dried and eaten as a delicacy, and the skin is used to make hats and mittens. One pass by snow machine. for visiting Sissaulik.